As of June 2018, there were well over 1 billion active Instagram users, 18% of whom check it multiple times per day. You may be wondering if an Instagram business page is a good idea for your small business. Well, I'm here to tell you that regardless of your niche or industry, everyone can find value in Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm Charles Broersma, founder of the Casbah Total Internet Marketing Solution, the place where small businesses go to double their revenue from the internet. And today, I'm going to share with you 8 steps to help you gain followers on Instagram. So stay tuned. Instagram is all about engagement. It's about posting interesting video clips, inspiring images, and gaining likes, comments, and followers. Creating engaging content and then engaging yourself is how you'll be able to gain traction for your business page. If you're familiar with the follow, like, tag, and share feature on Facebook, you should have no problem assimilating to Instagram. There's an unspoken etiquette on Instagram that when you follow a page, they're most likely going to follow you back. Target your customers' pages and high-performing pages in your industry. You can follow them and consider following some of their followers as well. This is an endless cycle that you can get a lot of followers from. Tagging a page or individual in your post or in the post description is also a great way to promote your page. Tagging brings more traffic to a specific post and can increase the likelihood that it'll gain more likes and shares. Now always remember, if you want others to engage with your post, you need to engage with their posts too. Instagram is all about the visuals. Don't recycle the same old tired images that have been passed around so many times. People want new pictures and videos that they haven't seen posted hundreds of times somewhere else. Instagram users also want relatable posts. Your Instagram business page should give an inside look at your business. So just keep it real. Because you'll be connecting with others in your niche or market, you should be posting content that can be understood and enjoyed by everyone. An Instagram business page is a great way to drum up awareness for a promotion or sale that you're having. Let people know about it by creating a link in the post description or in the profile bio section. In your post description and stories section, you can also tell your visitors where to find your link by including a link in bio statement. Just like any other social media platform, emotion goes a long way. You can convey emotion on Instagram through color, perspective, filters, words, and hashtags. The list goes on and on. Just because you have a business profile doesn't mean your page should be serious and dry. People come to Instagram to be entertained. We connect through emotion. So choose powerful images, videos, hashtags, and descriptions. People are on Instagram at all times of day and night, so they might not see your posts right away. Posting consistently increases the chance of users and followers actually seeing your posts and liking them. Make sure you set up a structured social media posting strategy. Monitor when your posts are published and maintain consistency with all of your other social media channels. Once you decide on a hashtag that you want to use, type it out and see how popular it is. You don't want to try for a hashtag with hundreds of thousands of results. Just like with SEO work, modify your hashtag until it has a more reasonable search result that's likely to be searched by your target audience. Hashtags and emojis help to tell the story of your post and bring even more emphasis to it. Emojis will draw a viewer's eye to your post and help it stand out in their newsfeed. Remember, you want your posts to be engaging and creative. Instagram posts have a neat little feature that lets you track where you were in the photo. Tag your location if you're attending a conference or traveling to an out-of-state customer. If you're a retailer who sells climbing equipment, for example, post a picture hiking up a mountain and let your viewers know where you were climbing using the gear that you sell yourself. Tagging your location lets viewers know that you have an interesting life, that you actually do and experience things too. It can inspire them to go out and have a similar experience, creating a positive association with your business and brand. If you're going to all the trouble of creating an Instagram business page, make sure you leave space for your viewers to actually get to your website. Add a link to your website in your bio description. You may have already mentioned your website in a post, but placing your web address in your bio is a more reliable way to make sure everyone who visits your page actually sees it. Instagram has a story feature like Facebook and Snapchat, and it's actually pretty popular. If you're creating a story, make sure you have something interesting to say, show, or talk about. Let your viewers see the real you and give them a snippet of your newest post. Many retailers also use the story feature for product promotions and advertising too. Instagram is an awesome platform to promote your products and services and increase your business awareness. Whether you're a retailer who wants to increase traffic to your product pages or a manufacturer looking to generate more qualified leads, Instagram is a great and easy way to do it. Be sure to check out the Casbah Total Internet Marketing Solution at www.casbah.net. You'll find a wealth of information, including a library of other videos that I've recorded under the Resources tab. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to this channel so you can get all the updates. I post new videos every Friday, so be sure to come back and check it out.